Many adults could not solve this particular expression. Now, what they did was to rewrite this as 25 divided by 5 plus 5. Then this division line here, they wrote divide by 5, divide by 5, and divide by 5. Okay, so they changed this expression in this form. And from here, they divided 25 by 5, and they gave them 5 plus 5, divide by 5, divide by 5, then divide by 5. Okay, so from here, they added these two together. 5 plus 5 equals 10, divide by 5, divide by 5, and divide by 5. Now from this place, they divided this 10 by 5, and they got 2, divide by 5, then divide by 5. Okay, so from here, because they know that this 5 cannot divide this 2 to give a whole number, they wrote 2 divide by 5, then this division here divide by 5, and this 5 they divided it by 1. Okay, so from here they wrote this as 2 divide by 5 multiply by 1 divide by 5. Okay, and in their final answer they wrote 2 multiplied by 1 equals 2, divide by 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25, and they say that this is the answer, but this is totally wrong. Now let me now show you how to solve this in the right way. Okay, we are given 25 divided by 5 plus 5, then everything will be divided by 5, divide by 5, and divide by 5. Now for us to solve this and get the right answer, what we are going to do is to rewrite this. Okay, so we are going to have 25 divided by 5 plus 5. Okay, now we are going to put this in parentheses. Okay, that is what made this different from what the other group of people solved. Okay, so we use parentheses to separate this. Okay, now remember that according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, let's write that down: PEMDAS. Okay, where P is parentheses, E is exponent, M is multiplication, and D is division, A is addition, and S is subtraction. And remember that this multiplication and division are of the same priority. That is to say, if you find both of them in an expression, you have to solve from the left to the right. And the same thing is applicable to addition and subtraction. They are of the same priority as well. So according to the order of operation, first of all, look into parentheses first, because parentheses is the highest order. Okay, and inside this parentheses here, we'll have division and addition. Okay, and according to the order of operation, division is of higher priority to addition. So we'll divide first. 25 divided by 5 will give us 5 plus 5. Okay, this will still be in parentheses. Then divide by open parentheses 5, divide by 5, then divide by 5. So from here, 5 plus 5 will give us 10. Okay, divide by open parentheses 5, divide by 5, then divide by 5. Okay, and this is what we have. Now we will now attend to these parentheses here. And according to the order of operation, when you have more than one division in an expression, you have to solve from the left to the right. Okay, so we'll have 10 divided by, inside the parentheses we'll have 5 divided by 5, and that will give us 1 divided by 5. Okay, so we are going to rewrite this expression because these terms inside parentheses cannot give us a whole number. 1 divided by 5 cannot give us a whole number. So we are going to have 10 divided by 1 divided by 5. And this 10 can be divided by 1 as well. So when you have two fractions dividing each other, you have to apply this rule that is called KCF rule. K here stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Okay, so we are going to keep 10 divided by 1. Okay, and change the division to multiplication, and we'll flip this. So from here, 10 multiplied by 5 equals 50. And 50 divided by 1 will still give us 50 as the right answer. Now let's solve more complicated question. In this given expression, 5 plus 5 divided by 5, in parentheses 5 plus 5. Now, most people, when solving this particular expression, they added these two numbers together. 5 plus 5 equals 10, divide by 5, then in parentheses 5 plus 5, okay? Now, in their next step, they divided 10 by 5, and they gave them 2, in parentheses 5 plus 5, okay? Now, in their next step, they added this parentheses, and they had 2 multiplied by 5 plus 5 equals 10, and 10 multiplied by 2 equals 20. But this is totally wrong, because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, okay, we have P, E, M, D, A, S, okay, where P is parentheses, E is exponent, M and D is multiplication and division, A and S are addition and subtraction. So the first thing we are going to attend to is parentheses. So we have 5 plus 5 divided by 5, then multiply by 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now, from here, we have division and multiplication. And remember that multiplication and division are of the same priority, irrespective of their position. Okay? If you have both of them in an expression like in this form, you have to solve from the left to the right. Okay? So we have 5 plus 5 divided by 5 equals 1, multiplied by 10. And multiplication is of higher priority to addition. So we have 5 plus 1 multiplied by 10 equals 10. And 5 plus 10 equals 15 as the right answer. Now let's look into one more question together. In this given expression, 25 minus 25 divided by 5, then everything divided by 5. Now most people, when solving this particular expression, wrote 25 minus 25 divide by 5 and divide by 5. Okay, now in their next step, what they did was to use this 5 to divide this 5, and they had 1. Okay, so they are left with 25 minus 25, then divide by 1. 25 divided by 1 equals 25. So they had 25 minus 25, and this gave them 0. But this is totally wrong. Now let me show you how to solve this in the right form. Now what we are going to do is to write 25 minus 25 divide by 5. Okay, now this will be in parentheses, then divide by 5. Okay, this division here is this division line here. Now, according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, we'll first of all attend to the parentheses first. Then inside the parentheses, we'll have subtraction and division. And according to the order of operation, division is of higher priority to subtraction. So we are going to have open parentheses 25 minus 25 divided by 5 equals 5. And we'll divide this by 5. Okay, so from here, 25 minus 5 equals 20 divided by 5. Okay, and 20 divided by 5 equals 4 as the right answer. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please do well to share this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.